Nokia E70 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: an SRT6, angled tweezers, straight metal tweezers, an SS34 flex connector opening tool, a DC plug, a Torx Plus driver size 6, a dental pick, an SS93 and an SS15 camera removal tool. Cover the window with protective film. Unlock and remove the battery cover. Lift off the antenna module. Remove the camera gasket. Unscrew the 4 screws shown in the following order. And remove them with tweezers. Turn the phone over. Open the flip module assembly and lift off the A-cover assembly. Cover the inner side of the A-cover assembly window with protective film. Cover the LCD with protective film. Lift off the engine QWERTY keymat. Remove the power keymat assembly. Followed by the joystick hat. Carefully open the coax connector with the angled tweezers. Close the flip module assembly and turn the phone over. Note the 2 snaps at the back. Release both of these snaps with the SS93. Turn the phone over. Lift the flip module assembly a little and move it down towards the lower end of the phone until the LCD flex connector is completely visible. Open the LCD flex connector with the SS34. Be careful not to damage the connector or the surrounding components. Remove the flip module assembly from the engine and turn it over. Remove the earpiece with tweezers. Remove the coax connector from its housing. Push the LCD out of the flip module assembly. Release the snaps on both sides of the T9 cover with the SRT6 and lift it off. Remove the T9 keymat. Carefully open the coax connector with the angled tweezers. Push out the flip PWB assembly. Separate the flip QWERTY keymat from the flip PWB assembly. unscrew the 2 screws in the order shown and remove them with tweezers. You can now separate the engine from the B cover assembly. Remove the voice key with tweezers. Unlock the DC jack with the DC plug and remove it. Remove the microphone with the dental pick and discard it. A microphone cannot be reused after disassembly. Use the A cover assembly as a support when removing the camera module and the battery deck. Use the SS15 to remove the camera module. Remove the battery deck, avoiding the use of force. The disassembly procedure is now complete.